In this video, I'll be showing you how to achieve this in camera status. Clarity visuals, multimedia and creativity. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm not going to tap on with temperature. The temperature, I may just reduce it a bit to make the picture cool. I'm going to leave the tint alone. But tint, we have a greenish in the background, so I'm not going to play with the tint. I'm not going to tap on with the tint. So the exposure is okay. I mean, increase the contrast a little bit. Then because of black of our clothes, I mean increase black a little bit. The white a little bit. Then the shadows, I'm going to decrease it a little bit. Then after then, I'm going to go to my clarity. I'm going to add more clarity to it. Then go to my texture. But the texture is not necessary, so I'm not going to touch it. So after then, I'm going to go to my vibrance, increase the vibrance a little bit. You can see the image is being popped. You can see the before and after. So you can see the before and after, before and after. So but then I'm going to go to my color mixer. So in my color mixer, we have some greenish in our image. So I'm going to only play with the green. So I'm going to in my I'm going to increase my reduce my greenish in my a little bit, drag it to the yellow side. Because of this background, I want to be yellow. It's going to be like a sunray. I'm going to add a little yellow to it. So I'm going to go to my saturation. Then I'm going to darken the greenish a little bit. Add more saturation to it to make the image pop. So after that, I'm going to go to my luminance. I'm going to make the green dark so the image can pop a little bit. So you can make the image more beautified. So after then, I'm going to go to my color grading. So that most people don't know how to use this color grade. Drag it to my greenish a little bit. You can see the green is being popped because we are playing with the background and I don't want it to affect the image. You can see I don't want it to affect the image. You can see the image being popped. So after then, I'm going to go to my midtones. I'm going to put my midtones around this yellow axis. You can see it's making the background to look like a sunray. So it's going to make the image to pop out in the midst of the background. So the highlights, so I'm going to give it a little greenish. You can see it's too greenish, so I'm going to give it a little greenish, or let me give it a little reddish. So you can see the before and after, before and after, before and after. You can see there's a huge big difference in its color grading. So in camera raw. So after then, I'm going to go to my calibration. One thing I like about this calibration, the reason I didn't give saturation in my basics, of course, because this saturation over here make the image more, give it more to make the image more saturated. That's the main reason I don't like to be using this saturation over here. So the main reason I use calibration over here, it give it the image kind of cool, make the image real, make the image cool, saturated. That's why most of the time when I edit a picture, I prefer to give it the calibration or saturation in the blue primary. So I hope this tutorial is able for you to like and subscribe to my channel and to get a notification